Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with WeChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel hashtags with WeChill. In this video, we'll be creating an aeroplane which is a multi-paper origami model. It is made up of 5 pieces. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, this is how the final model of aeroplane looks like. It is made up of 5 smaller pieces. So let's keep this aside and let's start making it. So this is a small square piece of paper. It can be of any material or any size as you wish. I got around 4 small square pieces of paper from an A4 sheet. So first you need to fold from here, this point to this point along horizontal axis. And now you need to fold from this point to this point along vertical axis. This forms a smaller square. Now you have 4 flaps, as you can see. You need to pick the last one and fold it on the same side. Forms a triangle. Similarly, you need to repeat on the other side. Now you need to open this up. It opens up from this side. You open it and you fold it again inside. Now you left with 2 flaps. So one you need to fold it on this side and another you need to fold it on the opposite side. This forms a triangle. Now you need to open this up. So you get something like this. Now pick any one corner out of the 4 corners and then fold it something like this. Similarly, you need to do it on this side. This triangular portion, you need to fold it behind. This is how it looks. And now you fold this paper like this. This is the one piece out of those 5 pieces which we need to create an aeroplane. So guys, I have created such 5 small triangular pieces. Now let's join them to make the final model. So first, you fix one of the piece in these openings. There are 2 openings here. You have to fix these 2 edges in these 2 openings, something like this. Press it gently. Similarly, you pick one more piece. You need to insert these 2 edges in these openings. There is this opening here, if you can see it. There is this opening here and this opening on the other side. So you need to put it like this. This is the front portion of the aeroplane. This is how it looks. Now pick the other 2 pieces and fix these 2 edges in these openings. This one and this is the second one. Something like this. Now all you need to do is, you can see there is a opening. There are two openings here. One, this is the opening of this piece, and there is another opening here. So pick the top opening. I hope you can see it. Pick the top opening and hold your tail piece of your aeroplane like this and insert it in this fashion in the standing position. It might not go in one go. Slowly insert it so that it doesn't spoil the shape of the aeroplane. You can do something like this first to create a gap, and then slowly you need to insert it. So guys, this is how the final model looks like.
So guys, I hope your flight is ready to fly. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment your views about this video, and most important, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest updates. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you all back in my next video. Take care guys.